Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I know, trust me, like ever since I finished, I've been looking at myself like what? So y'all already know Krusty is coming, she is, but I do want to give y'all the details on this wig because like this is the showstopper of this video. Like this is what this video is centered around. So this is an Alley Pearl wig, okay? 13 by 4 inches, and so that was automatically side part for me. Like, okay, side part, because I do like my parting space because my head goes up so far like this. I like my parting space to be big, so 13 by 6 is like I'll go straight middle part, but side part it is for this hair, and I love it. It acted nicely. Let me tell you all the things that I did. So when I got the wig, I was inspired by Slay by Jordan. He's here on YouTube and he's amazing at laying wigs. I was inspired by him to go ahead and buy this wig and just step outside the box for me because I love me some jet black hair, and that's all I've ever worn in a wig. I've never done any color, so this is like huge for me right now, and I'm looking at myself like, whoa. I was inspired by him to get this wig, especially with the fall time coming up. Like I wanted like a different look, and I've been like stepping outside the box even with my clothes. Like I'm just ready for like newness, you know what I'm saying? So I bleached the knots on this wig, and I heavily plucked this wig too. It's not that it needed heavy plucking, but with this being brown, like I did not want I wanted to make sure that I did not have a harsh brown hairline. And I plucked it so good. This is probably the best plucking I've ever done. And I haven't done plucking in a while because y'all know I be getting my wigs from XRS Beauty and they already come plucked. And so I haven't plucked in a minute. I'm talking like over a year and some change. Yeah, I do not pluck. I hate it, and I hate bleaching too. And I can't believe I did both. So that's how I know I'm really growing with the installation of wigs, because it's a little intimidating. I'm taking this wig off tonight, so I did not do a ball cap. I usually do a ball cap when I'm gonna sleep in it and I'm gonna wear it over the weekend, because y'all know I don't wear wigs during the week because I go to work and I don't have time for that. Like, I'm not wearing no wig to work. Nobody's wig is on my head at work. No. But yeah, I didn't do a ball cap method. I just laid it with my even spray, and I did bring y'all on the journey with me to lay the wig down. So yeah, I'm happy y'all are joining me for this video. It's been a minute, but I'm literally back. Like I have videos lined up, so I'm ready to go. But I just wanted to come back with a bang and like do something I never did before, to come back with a bang, something y'all will want to see, because I know we love putting looks together. So if I ain't never put a look together, today's the day. Yeah, I feel like this is just so nice. This is 24 inch, which is the length that I'm gonna just continue to get. It's like that happy, it's like long, but it's not like over the top long. So I like 24 inches is really, that's where it's at. I put it on, I knew where it was gonna go ear to ear, made sure I parted it, and then I immediately layered it. Like I put heavy layers in this hair. I went in with scissors all over, and then I went in with my eyebrow razor all over, just to make sure I had the layers, because I gotta have layers. And I knew I wanted to curl this hair or wand it, either one. So layering is the way to go. It would not be popping like, I feel like it wouldn't be popping like this if I didn't have layers. Enjoy the video. I'll see you in the end to close it out. Let's lay this wig and beat this face. And I hope y'all enjoy the video. Krusty, where you at, girl? Do I know how to do this? I be saying it every time I come back. Do I even know? Why hot sauce in my... I forgot to remove this. Okay. That is so... I swear I forgot to get that. I really thought I had everything taken care of. Hey everybody, what's up? Okay, so first we're just gonna start off with put my edges down. I put this cap on. This cap really won't matter much. I'm taking this wig off tonight, so I'm not doing my ball cap method and whatnot, because I've been doing ball cap method lately and I'm getting good at this. As y'all can tell by the title and the intro, we are going to be putting this on. I'm so scared, but I've been saying I want to do this for so long. So shout out to my sis in love, honey, because she was just like, Michelle, get the chocolate hair. I was like, okay. And y'all, I was so scared because, and I'm still scared right now, because I was really about to throw some black in the roots, like a dark charcoal color in the roots, because the all brown is scaring me. And y'all know that, but also at the same time, like, it would make me feel more comfortable. Like, it would make me feel like I'm not doing too much, because full color wigs it gives me do too much. I don't know And I know girls they're wearing green, pink, and blue hair, and I'm just over here tripping about. But I'm gonna go ahead and install this. I'm not gonna speak. I can't talk and do hair. I don't have anything to say to you. All I know is that I finesse wigs and they be coming out alright. So I'm about to finesse right now. I think it's gonna be a good day. I'm in a good mood today. Let's start. I'm gonna let that dry for a while. While that's drying, I usually like to just go ahead and go in and do my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I use the Morphe eyebrow pencil. I grab a few every time I go in there. And I'm in the shade, what is this? The darkest one, I'm sure. Chocolate Mousse. And this is what you need in life. To carve out my brows, on the bottom, I go in with my Kevin Aquan, and this is the shade SX13. And for the top of my brow, I use the shade 450 in the Fenty concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna let this melt. Hope it turns out okay. I don't want to regret not doing a ball cap. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I've been doing ball caps, but I haven't done it without a ball cap. Wow, man. And I just hope I still know how to do this. Like, I still know how to finesse this. So today I want to do like a naked beat, like a naked brown smoky type of eye, type of beat. I just did a client this way and her makeup turned out so pretty. I was like, okay. I'm gonna show y'all my go-to products that I've been going to do my face. Now, what's been going on? First of all, how y'all doing? Is everybody good? I really been good, y'all. I just been busy. I just want to say that if I'm absent from this channel, it's not because I don't want to film, because I literally love doing this. Like, this is literally fulfilling for me. Trust me. And aside from being busy, I did run into this rut though. Like, I ran into this rut where like I didn't know what to film and I wasn't feeling creative. I wasn't being creative as far as anything, like picking out my clothes. And y'all know I love me some fashion. I do. But I literally didn't, for real. And I feel like people probably didn't even notice that, because you know, I did make a few posts and stuff like that with my clothes on, but I just want everybody to know that I kind of wasn't really even feeling it. I wasn't feeling the looks. I wasn't feeling nothing. Like, I don't feel anything. But aside from that, I've just been busy. I've been not saying no so much to clients and actually like taking clients. like saying yes where a lot of my time goes. And of course I have a job. I have a job. I just want to say that. I want to, like, sometimes I be wanting to make a post, like, because a lot of people in my area or who want me to do their makeup, which is amazing. Please understand that I'd rather be doing your makeup than going to a 9 to 5. I need everybody to know that. But what I'm saying is that it's crazy when people just be like, yeah, can you do my makeup Monday morning at 10? But Monday morning at 10, I'm gonna be at work. I have a job. I have a job. Like, I actually have a job. Like, I have a job. People really don't know. That sounds so crazy, but people really think I just be up in here and not working. Like, I don't work. This is the thing. I want you to let me know, because I can probably make something shake. But I do want to let you know that I have a job, though. I want you to know that. I'm mixing my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Angola and my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 368 Deep Golden together. Okay, the full coverage matte duo. If you want to put somebody else's face on, like, you need to wear somebody else's face for the night because your own is not cooperating, mix these two foundations together and put somebody else's face on. So for concealer, I've been using Tarte Shape Tape. I need to let y'all know that this is like, this concealer is the real deal. Like, I'm telling y'all probably hear it a lot and y'all tired, but don't get tired, wake up. Because this is the girl. And this is in the shade Deep, baby. All right, I had to run to Ulta because I ran out of setting spray. And I was like, I need to get some of that before I try to film this video. So I got both of the Morphe setting sprays, the original here, continuous setting mist, and I got the mattifying setting mist, and I got the e.l.f. H2O waterproof eyeliner pen. Y'all know this is the eyeliner I use. I lost the top to one and I didn't even realize it, and it was just sitting out dry. But I'm gonna take my mattifying Morphe mist myself. Okay. This is very mattifying. It always does this. Morphe, we need to fix this. I'm not gonna be taking this too much longer now. It happened too much. Look at the spray. Y'all probably remember this. I'm still on my Fenty sticks in the shade Ebony and Caviar to like cream bronze / contour. Okay, so for a lighter look under the eye, I just take the shade, still Tarte Shape Tape, Tan Deep Sand, and I just dot some right here. And I also take this along the side of my nose contour to make that nose contour pop, because y'all know I'm big on the nose contour. I'm telling you, you want to change, like, you want to look more snatched, it's in the nose. Like, the snatchery is in the nose. I think I want to go a different route today. So I'm taking the Fenty powder in the shade Nutmeg, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just go in lightly first, like with just this powder first. I forget how beautiful this Fenty powder is. And I'm just gonna take a brush and just lightly dust. That's not how that was supposed to go. I took way too much powder. I do not want that much powder. So I like to use, well, when I would use that all the time, I just like to use it initially. It just flows with like the undertones of my face. It's just a beautiful, that powder is bomb. And then I'm gonna take the One Size translucent powder and go in with this a bit heavier. And instead of using the brush, I'm gonna use my sponge to stamp this on and allow that to sit. So first, I like to go in with my 360 Mocha Powder by Maybelline. Keep me nice and tight and matte. Everything's set. And then I like to go in afterward. So in the shade 445 in the Fenty powder, I like to take this as well and run this along. And y'all know I love this so much because this is literally, like, the Maybelline one is to mattify and really set. This is to blur. Like, I use this because it just makes my face look perfect. Now I'm gonna go in bronze, and I'm gonna use the same product in 470 Love. It broke not too long ago. But please understand that things will continue this way. I don't care about you breaking. What? One Size powder and do some reverse right here. So for my eyes, this is literally like one of my go-to things to do. I start with that shade 480 in the Fenty, and I put that literally all over my lid. One brown will do the trick. Everybody can do that. And everybody's gonna look cute too. All right, I'm gonna go in and put mascara on, put some lashes on, and then we'll come back and finish it off. And I'm probably gonna style my hair, but I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay, so I finished curling the hair. It curled pretty well. It didn't give me much problems at all. My curls weren't like, I wasn't trying to be like perfection and like, you know, just get it curled. I'm gonna do my Fenty powder in the 445 shade, and I'm gonna use that for my part. I think that would be decent. I want to take some vitamin E oil. I like to put this on my hair because it's weightless and it literally does nothing to my hair but make it look good. It doesn't weigh it down, none of that. And this is those little oil things that you find like at the beauty supply store. I always use vitamin E for my hair, especially like my wigs and stuff. Like, I don't know what it is, but it just does really well in hair. Wow, this is really, I did not expect it to turn out this good. I was really doubting y'all. Like, I don't really have many words. I'm just kind of shocked. So I'm gonna use those are colors, and this is Knock on Wood. And then I'm gonna take Mars lip gloss by Morphe. Wow, I'm just shocked. I didn't think I could pull it off. I didn't think I could make this look good. I was worried about the wig because I only get wigs from XRS. Like, I don't fool with nobody else. So I was scared about the lace. I was just scared about everything. I'm proud of myself though, because I don't really be stepping out. Color hair, man, it's a love-hate. I don't know. It looked good on y'all. Y'all be cute. But to me, I was just like, this not about to be cute. But I love it. I look like really soft. I look like an angel. It's just, I can't react that way because I'm just like, and we're ready. And you'll see this brown for a minute because I just want to make myself get used to it. Like, I want to make myself do it. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. I'm excited about the next one because it's been a while since I did a video like that. I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye. Insane. This is stupid. Like, what the heck is this?